friends, I'm Vinil. Today we learn the root word logy. Logy is a suffix. It means field of teddy. Few words are etymology, the study of the origins of words. Graphology, the study of handwriting. Biology, the study of living organisms. Zoology, the study of animals and their behavior. Ornithology, the study of birds. Oology, the study of eggs, especially bird eggs. Geology, the study of earth. Meteorology, the study of measurements. Numerology, the study of occult significance of numbers. Technology, the study of the practical use of scientific discoveries. Psychology, the study of the human mind and its functions. Now let's take a quick recap. Let's end the video with a simple quote of the day. Work hard in silence. Let success make the noise. If you like my video, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next episode.